Hey there, welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you how to turn off profile views on TikTok, that you can't want to receive notification that who viewed your profile. You want to turn off this option. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Okay, we are going to turn off profile views on TikTok. Click on the TikTok app. The app will appear in front of you. Click on the profile. Click on the three lines which appear at the right top corner. Click on settings and privacy. Now click on privacy. You have to scroll this bar and you can see profile views. You can see here there is option profile views on. Now click on it and you have to turn off or switch off the profile views. You can see now we are looking that profile views are off. When you have to turn off the profile views, then you will not get notification that who viewed your profile. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.